Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your Google Chrome or any other browser default on your Windows 11. So if you want to open PDF files or websites with Google or other browsers, so let's get started. How you can do it, you just go to start, and here we go to settings, and once we are here we go to apps, and then we go to default apps. And now we just have to find our Google Chrome or third-party browser that you want to use instead of Microsoft Edge. So for example, I'm gonna change to Google Chrome and just click here set default. And if this, as you can see now, it's Google Chrome, if it doesn't change, you need to separately change here. Just click here and separately change everything if it doesn't change automatically. So now we have Google Chrome default browser. So let's just confirm it's default one. So if we go to Chrome and we go to settings and we go to default browser here, as you can see Google Chrome is your default browser. And that's pretty much it how you do it. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.